this is, you'll have to do it yourself. 45 into 45 into 45 3 times. The answer is 91125. 65 into 65 into 65 274625, and this is 20 cube is easy, 8 and 3 zeros, 8000. Okay, now in subtraction what you do is 91125, which is bigger, so minus 274625 is bigger, so 274625 minus 91125, and sign of the bigger one, and then minus this will become minus something, minus 8000. So the final answer will be minus 191,500. You try it yourself. See, this multiplication is a tougher part, but you'll have to do it. There is no option for this. Next, the cube of an odd natural number is always odd. How? Let's check. So let's check this one. 3 by 3 by 3. So it is 27. Odd. 71 by 71 by 71. 357911. You can try any simple odd number also, like 5 or 7 or whatever it is. So you'll always get an odd. So hence we can say that the cube of any odd natural number is always odd. Next, the cube of a 2-digit number will contain dash digits. Means how many digits? So 4, 5 or 6. That is the answer. How? 2-digit number. Let's check 11, or you can check 10 also. 10 cube is what? 1000. So 4 digits. 11 cube is 1331. Now we can go up to what number? You can go up to 99, because then it comes 100, which is 3 digit. So 99 cube is what? 6 digits. 970299. So 4 or 6 you have got it. So 5 will definitely be between. You check some number like 44, 45, whatever, you can go on trying. So it will definitely have the number of 5 digits. That's what. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.